and sexual energy. So this is the major theory of the sexual energy. It's a very important part about the sexual energy because one of the things that we deal with it. In the Tao believe that sexual energy is the only extra energy that we can transform. And it's not only simple extra energy, but it's the most powerful, more healing power, more regenerating power, most creating power that we have. Okay? You can generate anything because one sex cell generates the whole body. So if you want to rebuild your brain, sex cell will do it. If you want to rebuild your bone marrow, who can do it? Your sex cell can do it because the sex cell hold our body DNA. Okay? So it can build any part of the body from the sex cells, from the sex cell. And this proved that now. Before that, I keep on talking before they even understand the stem cell. Okay? And the sex cell do them all. Because the sex cell creating embryo cell and creating the original stem cell. Okay? So that is what the important part of the sexual energy. So we're going to work with you have to work with it, feel it, and feel your sexual energy actually transform. And we have so much sexual energy that we just discuss it out. And it's not there. Okay? And so that's why transforming the sexual energy is the very important part in the Tao practice. Working with the sexual energy, and the sexual energy is actually very easy for us to. Everybody can feel the sexual energy, okay. But to feel it transforming, that is another thing, okay. And so the way to transform is that we're able to bring. So when we talk about sexual energy, we talk about the sexual organ, and we're going to transform. We're going to work with the energy, breathing. So, for example, we say the heart is the physical, and the sexual organ is the physical. Okay. So, like the wood is the material, and when you burn the wood, it turns to heat. So we call transformations. Okay. The heart, when you feel love, when you can feel love, it's transforming the material into immaterial, and that is the love. Okay. Love, joy, happiness. Okay. Now, when it transforms, it's still the only one energy. Okay. Now, when you can combine them together, they become a more stable energy. Otherwise, the energy are separate. So if we burn the wood in the outside, so the wood are spread out. The heat are spread out, and it's gone. Okay, so that is in the Tao's way. They said we have to learn how to transform and to store the energy. So from the sexual organ is material. When we feel the arousal, orgasm, it changes to immaterial. So it changes. Okay. And when it changes, we need to, you either keep it, or you either transform it, or you either lose them. Okay. So we have a name called orgasmic upward draw, or the orgasmic outward pull. So you feel orgasm and let it go and finish. So we end up, we lose nothing. We gain nothing. We lose everything. Okay. So the sexual organ. Let's simple talking about the sexual organ. It connecting into the many nervous system. One of the very major connection, like for women, okay, is their sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. It's a very connecting with the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So for the lady, the clitoris are very directly connecting with the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. And a man, the penis, you see the gland penis here, connecting the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So it's a very direct connection, okay? And that is one nerve. And the sympathetic, parasympathetic, very connecting to the eye, very connecting to the heart. So the eye see, so when you see something arousal, something very sexy, we feel arousal. And it started to changes. When your heart is activated and feel love, it also activates the sexual energy. So the sexual response is a very connecting to all the whole nervous system. Okay? And another part is connecting to the brain and the spinal cord and the sacrum. Especially the sacrum, the gland penis of man is sacrum 4. Okay? Sacrum 4, sacrum 3, sacrum 2. It's all this area involved with sexual organ. And it connecting right direct into the sacrum 2, 3, and 4. And the vagina also 4, sacrum 4, sacrum 2, sacrum 3. Okay? It's connecting to the nerves spreading out to here.